I'll show you how to create a guild on Discord. First, note that this is a beta feature. That means only selected users can access it. If you're chosen, a pop-up will appear, allowing you to go through the guild creation process. If you didn't see the pop-up, there's another way to check. Go to any server, click the server's name, then open server setting. Scroll down, and if you have access, you'll see the guild option there. Here's what it should look like if it's available. You'll follow a step-by-step setup. Again, this feature is limited to beta users. It's also possible that Discord has discontinued it, so beta invites might no longer be sent, but it's still worth checking. If you see the option in the setting or get the pop-up, then go ahead and create your guild.